So this is the polythene bag. So I'll put water like this.
We are now making ice cube. So see.
Enough. This is enough. So I have to tie it here. Let me do like this. We sell this. It will be like stone tomorrow. Ice. It's ice. Then we sell this. Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the time you are watching this video or from where you are watching from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Safi. Hello from Kenya, Africa, particularly coastal region. So I'm now in my village and it's early in the morning. I want to go to our shopping center where we usually make our end meat. I have a small freezer there. I haven't told you, we make some juices, some ice, I don't know what to call ice. We usually take a polythene bag or polythene paper, we pour it water, then we tie it, then we put it in the freezer. After 2 days it becomes very hard like an ice. So we sell it. Not every people here have fridge, so and the weather is very hot, so we usually sell to them. So that's how we do our living here. So for the past 3 weeks my freezer is not working, so I have to call some a refrigerator repair, a technician, and he's not coming from around, so he's coming from far. I called him and he told me he's coming. So now early in the morning he called me, he told me he's on the way coming, and by now he has reached the town, the center. So I'm going there and repair my fridge. So let's go there and repair it. He has started repairing. So he came very early. When I came here, he was already here. So he's now repairing it. The electricity is disturbing, comes and goes off, so that's why he's using his phone to use it as a receptacle. Now he's putting the gas. Na hizi gas zile mbona zinakaa nyepesi ama ziko hivyo hivyo?
Huwa tunapima.
Oh, mnajua?
Tunapimani, tunaweza ya kujaza kama friji 4 ama 5. Ukisema ujaze yote full hauwezi beba.
Oh, tuko mzito.
So tunapima. Tunapima kama ukija gariseni tunataka tutajaza kama friji 3 ama 4. Na usema tuweke yote. Hauwezi beba kabisa. Ni mzito hata kuliko ile ya kupikia.
Ndio nishangaa je nikiwa hivi naona nyepesi. Naona nyepesi. He's continuing with the piping. I have now arrived at the my business area, where I make the ends meet. So I came here and there's no electricity, so it was dark and I can't record. But the mechanic has came. He has repaired my fridge. So now let me show you. Okay, here it is. At first it doesn't have this, so he put this piping. He put this piping. I'm now cleaning. So let me clean so that I can arrange my, let's say, my water, guys, my people. You know, let me show you what we usually make. The music from the next door. Hope I will not get a copyright. So I have now finished cleaning. So this is the polythene bag. So I put water like this. Enough. This is enough. So I have to tie it here. Let me do like this. We sell this. It will be like stone tomorrow. Ice. It's ice. Then we sell this. Let me now arrange them in the fridge, and tomorrow it will be ice. Then we'll sell at 20 shillings. That is $0.02. See product. See guys, the way I have arranged them all around. So let's see if it will function. Even tomorrow you will know if it's functional. So that is my water. I'm standing here because of the lighting. So please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. That's how we make our ends meet here in the village, to make some juices and some ice onge. It's not onge in Swahili. So that is it. Bye.